Hello everyone, welcome to the Easy Drawing Time channel. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig and George Pig with their toys. Let's start drawing first. Peppa Pig. I love my pen. Fantastic! She is holding her favorite toy teddy. George Pig. Draw his favorite toy into his hand, Mr. Dinosaur. I love my pen. Now, I'm going to use this thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Light pink. Light purple. Red. Brown. Teddy is a plush bear and it's her favorite toy. Light pink. Light purple. Blue. Green. It is a toy dino and George always plays with it. Light blue. Yellow. Excellent. Aquamarine. Pink. Pink. Light green. The window behind Peppa and George is going to be gray. I use a purple chalk for the background. I love my pen. Then added a little orange to the ground. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.